Hello, my dear students. How are you all? After a short break, let's back to our online classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Visual Basic Toolbox. In chapter 7, we learn about Visual Basic. Today we are going to discuss about Visual Basic Toolbox. Okay, so let's start. Visual Basic programs are event-driven. An event-driven program runs according to the action taken by the user, such as moving the mouse pointer over an object on the screen, clicking and holding the mouse button on the object and so on. इवेंट ड्रिवन प्रोग्राम कैसे एग्जीक्यूट होता है? इवेंट ड्रिवन प्रोग्राम अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्शन टेकन बाय यूजर हमें हमारा आउटपुट मिलता है। ओके, हम कैसी एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन होता है। एक्शन मतलब सच एज मूविंग द माउस पॉइंटर ओवर एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द स्क्रीन और क्लिकिंग एंड होल्डिंग माउस बटन ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट। हमारी स्क्रीन पर जो ऑब्जेक्ट है हम उस पर माउस ओवर करते हैं या फिर हम उस पर पॉइंटर ओवर करते हैं या फिर हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट को क्लिक एंड होल्ड करते हैं, तो हमें कैसा आउटपुट चाहिए उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा इवेंट ड्रिवन प्रोग्राम रन होता है, एग्जीक्यूट होता है। ओके, सच एक्शंस ऑफ द यूजर आर कॉल्ड events and the program performs some action depending on them. The VB6 IDE offers several useful controls in the toolbox. Using this control, you can add buttons, checkboxes, labels, text boxes, and so on to your program. This helps the user to interact with your program when it executes. Okay, let's see standard window controls. Some of the commonly used control available in the toolbox are as follows. Toolbox is on the left side in VB6 window. हमारे toolbox में कौन कौन से controls है? Let's see. Label, that is used to display text on a form. Then after frame. Then after checkbox, combo box, timer, save, picture box, text box, command button, option button, list box and pointer. Okay, go through this table and read the uses of every control. Okay, next there are some other controls also available that may not be used very frequently. They are as follows. H scroll bar, directory list box, image OLE, vertical scroll bar, drive list box, file list box, line and data. Go through this table too and read the uses of all these controls. Okay. Then after figure 1 show the name of the control or tools in the toolbox. We only need a few of them for our purpose. Okay. See the figure. Here it is our toolbox with controls. Okay. You can see each and every control with their names here. Okay. Just read it once. There are different tools like pointer, picture box, label, text box, frame, command button, checkbox, option button, combo box, list box, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, timer, drive list box, directory list box, file list box, shape, line, image, data and OLE. Okay, so it is our toolbox. After next, adding and removing controls. You can add controls to a form in two ways, by double clicking and by drawing. Okay, let's see first one, adding controls by double clicking. Adding a control by double clicking is a simple activity. All you need to do is to identify the control that you need on the form and double click over it. हमें जो कंट्रोल हमारे फॉर्म में चाहिए उस पर जाकर सिंपली हमें डबल क्लिक करना है. When you do this, the control will appear anywhere on the form. You can then drag it to the desired location. The steps listed below describe adding control by double clicking. Let's see the steps. First one, pull the right lower corner and increase the size of the form. First हम हमारे form की size increase करेंगे. Then after, double click on the command button control. Then after, toolbox में से जो command button control है हम उस पर double click करेंगे. Then after, third step, it appear on the center of the form. Place the mouse pointer over it and drag it to the desired location. Okay. You can see here our command button is on our form 1. And after, alternate method, do a single click on the control that you want to insert. Then after, click on command button control once. Then after, next move the mouse pointer over the form. Notice that your pointer is now shaped as a crosshair instead of an arrow. Click and hold the mouse button where you want the control appear. Then after, drag the mouse pointer down slightly and to the right. As you drag the mouse pointer, notice that a box starts to appear. When the box is of the desired size, release the mouse button. The control you selected appear on the form. Take care when drawing controls to make the box that is approximate to the size of your control. Okay. अल्टरनेट मेथड क्या है, जो भी कंट्रोल हमें हमारे फॉर्म में चाहिए, फर्स्ट हम टूल बॉक्स में जाकर वो कंट्रोल सिलेक्ट करेंगे यूजिंग सिंगल क्लिक. देन आफ्टर हम हमारे फॉर्म पर मूव होंगे तो हमारे पॉइंटर का शेप हमें कैसा मिलेगा, लाइक अ क्रॉस हेयर. देन आफ्टर हम ड्रैग करके वो कंट्रोल हमारी फॉर्म में ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके. जितनी भी साइज का हमें कंट्रोल चाहिए हम वो हमारे फॉर्म पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं यूजिंग ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप. ओके. देन आफ्टर, नेक्स्ट वन इज removing a control from the form. Select the control you want to delete by clicking it. The control you select will appear with sizing handles. जो भी कंट्रोल हमें रिमूव करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम वो सिलेक्ट करेंगे. देन आफ्टर, प्रेस द डिलीट की. यू कैन ऑल्सो रिमूव अ कंट्रोल बाय राइट क्लिकिंग इट and selecting delete in the context menu that appears. Okay, हम राइट क्लिक करके context menu में से delete का ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके भी हमारा कंट्रोल रिमूव कर सकते हैं. ओके. Then after, next one is naming controls. In Visual Basic, a control on the form is always referred to by a name. By default, Visual Basic automatically gives a name to every control that is placed on the form. Visual Basic में each and every control जो हम हमारी फॉर्म में प्लेस करते हैं उनको विजुअल बेसिक बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नेम डिफाइन करता है. Thus, if you add a command button, Visual Basic names it command 1. If you add a text box, it is automatically named text 1 and so on. जैसे जैसे हम कंट्रोल्स ऐड करते हैं तो विजुअल बेसिक उसे बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नेम डिफाइन करता है. However, getting the names of control like this can be confusing. For example, if you add 6 command button to your form, Visual Basic will name them command 1, 2, 3 and so on. Thus, it will become difficult to remember what command 5 or any other is supposed to do. Therefore, they are renamed by the Visual Basic programmer. Steps given below will help you rename your controls. Let's see the step how we can rename our control. First step, after you add a control to a form, make sure that it is selected. Remember that a selection has a box at each corner and side when it is selected. In the property window, click the control's name in the right column. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि प्रॉपर्टी विंडो में एक नेम का ऑप्शन है. उसकी राइट में हमें यहाँ पर जो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है उसको सिलेक्ट करना है. देन आफ्टर delete the current name and add the name you want. Okay, it is recommended that the name you assign to a control is the one that tells not only what type of control it is but also what it does within your program. Thus, if you give your control a descriptive names, you will always know what they do. Okay, Visual Basic programmer follow a convention that you can also use to name the controls. The convention by definition is prevalent way of doing a things. It is not a rule. The advantage of following convention is that it makes it easy for others to understand your program. Suppose हमने हमारे फॉर्म में मल्टीपल कंट्रोल्स ऐड किए हैं और हमारा वो प्रोग्राम कोई और देख रहा है तो उसे कैसे पता चलेगा कि इस कमांड का ये यूज़ है और ये वाला कमांड, ये वाला कंट्रोल किस काम के लिए यूज़ किया हुआ है. उसको ये पता चलेगा उस कंट्रोल के नेम से. सपोज़ आपने एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स लिया है और आपने उसमें फिल करवाया है यूज़र का नेम. तो अगर कोई दूसरा पर्सन आपका प्रोग्राम देख रहा है तो उस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के नेम से उसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पर यूज़र का जो नेम फिल होता है वो यहाँ पर सेव हो रहा है. इसीलिए कंट्रोल का नेम एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है हमारे विजुअल बेसिक में. ओके, This convention is quite simple. It consists of a short abbreviation that identify the type of control, followed by a longer friendly name that describes what the control does within your program. The abbreviation is lowercase and the friendly name follow it immediately without any spaces with the first letter in capitals. हम जो कंट्रोल्स का नेम डिफाइन करते हैं उसका एक फॉर्मेट है कि हम वो सारे नेम के जो लेटर्स है वो लोअर केस में राइट डाउन करेंगे या फिर विदाउट एनी स्पेस या फिर हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल में राइट डाउन करेंगे. ओके, कॉमन प्रीफिक्सेस फॉर नेमिंग विजुअल बेसिक कंट्रोल्स. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि हर कंट्रोल के लिए एक प्रीफिक्स है. हम उनको कैसे नेम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सपोज यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वन है लेबल. सो यहाँ पर उसका प्रीफिक्स है LBL, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लेबल. देन आफ्टर फ्रेम FRA, चेकबॉक्स CHK. ओके, Go through this table. Then after, the following example will help you to understand the technique of following the control naming convention. For example, take a command button which is used to close a program. Following the convention talked above, you will name it as CMD close. Okay. Similarly, if you use a text box for user to input their names, you might name it as txt name. The advantage of following convention is evident when you have to use the same kind of control many times. Let us say that you have to capture the name of the user as his first name and second name. If you let Visual Basic name the controls, they will be having the default names as text1 and text2. However, following the convention, you can name them yourself as txt first name and txt last name. हम हमारे कंट्रोल्स को कैसे नेमिंग डिफाइन करेंगे? जो हमने एग्जाम्पल में देखा कि अगर हमें यूज़र के फॉर्म में उनका फर्स्ट नेम और लास्ट नेम हमने स्टोर करवाया है, तो हम उस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का कैसे नेम डिफाइन करेंगे ताकि हम उसे इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सके, इजीली रिमेंबर कर सके। तो हम उस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का नाम डिफाइन करेंगे txt फर्स्ट नेम एंड txt लास्ट नेम, ताकि हम कभी भी उसको इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सके। ओके, तो ये था हम कैसे कंट्रोल्स के नेम डिफाइन करेंगे। देन आफ्टर वर्किंग विथ कंटेनर्स, a container is a control that can hold other control within it, such as a frame or picture box. कंटेनर क्या है? कंटेनर एक ऐसा कंट्रोल है जिसके अंदर हम अदर कंट्रोल प्लेस कर सकते हैं। एज द नेम सजेस्ट, कंटेनर इट मीन्स कि एक कंटेनर, जैसे हमारे घर में कंटेनर होता है और हम उस कंटेनर में सारी चीज़ें रखते हैं, वैसे ही यहाँ पर कंटेनर है जिसमें हम मल्टीपल कंट्रोल्स प्लेस कर सकते हैं। कंट्रोल inside a container are called child controls. Child controls exist completely within their containers. This means that they cannot be moved outside their containers, and that when a container is deleted, so are any child control within it. Thus, if you try to move a child control outside its parents, part of the control will be cut off. Figure 5 show a checkbox control as a child to a frame. यहाँ पर इमेज में आप देख सकते हो कि जो फ्रेम 1 है वो है कंटेनर और उसका चाइल्ड कंट्रोल है चेकबॉक्स 1। ओके, हम हमारे चाइल्ड कंट्रोल को विदाउट इट्स पेरेंट कंट्रोल उसके आउटसाइड प्लेस नहीं कर सकते और उसके आउटसाइड मूव नहीं कर सकते। You can also add a control to a container by using the drawing method. To do so, you must select the container on your phone before you click the control in the toolbox. Then draw a control inside the container. Okay. Basic properties of controls. While working with Visual Basic Control, you need to be familiar with 3 terms: property, method, and events. Putting it simply, property described object that you place on the phone. Event cause an object to do something. And methods are what happen when an object does something. Okay. This is 3 terms of Visual Basic: properties, method, and event. Okay. Every object such as a form or control has a set of properties that describes it, although this set is not identical for all objects. Some properties such as those listed in table below are common to most controls. You can see every property for a given control by looking at the property window in the IDE. Scroll through the property window to look at the following properties which are common to all the Visual Basic controls. Okay, let's see the table. Enabled, height, left, name, top, visible and width. Go through this table and read the common properties of Visual Basic controls. Another important property to consider is border style, which determines the window elements like title bar, maximize and minimize buttons and so on. The border style property of a form can be set to one of 6 different styles. We will not go into the details of these styles. Okay. 1. Methods. Methods are block of code embedded within a control that tells the control how to do things such as move to another location on a form. Just as with properties, not all controls have the same methods, although some common methods do exist as shown in the table below. Okay, let's see the table. Drag, move, set focus, Z order. Go through this table and read all the common methods of Visual Basic controls. Then after, events. Events are action of the user when a program is running. For example, when a user click a button, multiple events occur. The mouse button is pressed, the command button in your program is clicked, and then the mouse button is released. These 3 things correspond to the mouse down event, the click event and the mouse up event. During this process, the got focus and the lost focus event for the command button also get activated. Both of them get activated whenever a new control becomes activated to receive user input. They ensure that the data is validated and is in proper format after the user input is received. Care has to be taken while using these events. If improperly used, it can result in your program getting into the endless or infinite loop and also stop responding to your command. Again, not all controls have the same events, but some events are commonly to many controls. These events occur as a result of some specific user action such as moving the mouse, pressing key on the keyboard or clicking a text box. These types of events are user initiated events. Okay, let's see the tables and common events of Visual Basic controls. Change event, click, double click, drag and drop, drag over, got focus, key down, key press, key up, lost focus, mouse down, mouse move and mouse up. Read this table once. In next lecture, we will learn how to perform a program in Visual Basic. Okay.